Okay, here is an HP Chromebook 14-360. You may notice when you're attempting to take a photo or use the webcam that you have a black screen here and there's a red light next to the camera. All this is on these devices is an actual privacy button for the webcam that's located on the side of the machine. So you can see here the privacy button, and it shows in red. That means it is in the off position. So you can just press that button and move it to the on position. And from there, you'll have a white light next to your camera, and you can now see an image from your webcam. Enjoy.